Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write essay on my favorite festival. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is Holi is my favorite festival. Second line is I like it because it is a day full of joy, laughter, and vibrant colors. Third line is I love how everyone, young and old, comes together to play and celebrate. Fourth line is the colorful powders and water fights make it so much fun. Fifth line is it is a day when we forget our differences and just enjoy being happy together. Sixth line is what makes Holi special for me is the feeling of unity and togetherness. Seventh line is I get to spend time with friends and family. Eighth line is the festive atmosphere, music, and delicious treats add to excitement. Ninth line is, it is a day to cherish good moments and make wonderful memories. Last line is, Holi brings a burst of positivity, and that's why it holds a special place in my heart.